Welcome to Ames Education's guide to using Handshake. This video will help teach you how to use this career search tool to find internships, jobs, and career resources. Let's get started. What is Handshake? Handshake is an online career platform that connects students with employers. You can benefit from Handshake through accessing healthcare-specific job postings, directly contacting recruiters, and attending job fairs through career event listings. How to access Handshake? Ames students can take specific steps to make an account on Handshake. After starting your classes, you will be able to find an active Handshake join link in your personal email from Ames. When you click on this link, it will direct you to a login page where you can use your email to create your account and begin exploring. Setting up your profile. After making your account, it is essential that you personalize your profile so employers can easily identify you. Fill out your name, field of study, and graduation date. Also, attach your resume and headshot, and list any certifications that you have. In your About section, also be sure to highlight any and all skills that you have to make yourself an attractive candidate for multiple jobs. Another part of your profile is your career interests. When searching for jobs, you can filter for specific job types, such as part-time, full-time, or internship. You can also filter for the type of field you are interested in, such as healthcare. Lastly, set your preferred location or distance to make sure you are only applying to jobs that you can reach. Contacting employers through avenues such as following, applying for positions, or messaging are great ways to increase your chances of getting a job. You can follow and message employers through the Connections and Messages tabs on your account, and apply for positions by filtering your attached resume. By following employers, you also sign up to receive notifications when they are holding job fairs or recruiting events. You can register for these events through your Handshake page. Healthcare job fairs and information sessions can give you direct access to employers who are actively hiring. Some helpful tips for healthcare students include: keep your profile updated after new certifications or clinical internships, check Handshake weekly for new postings, and apply to jobs early. Thank you for watching Ames Education's guide to using Handshake. For more help or career-related questions, contact us at 908-222-0002, extension 557, or email career@ameseducation.edu.